Scott Montgomery has resumed playing the keyboard on his church's worship team. The music takes his mind away from the hardest battle of his life.
Nothing in my past prepared me for this kind of a journey.
He went to the emergency room for unexplained swollen joints. University of Missouri healthcare doctors found multiple tumors inside his body, eventually diagnosing him with stage 4 pancreatic cancer.
When you find out that you have cancer and that you have this type of cancer, you're filled with a lot of doubt and a lot of worry. If I'm being honest, it scared me to the core.
Nationwide, more than half the patients that are diagnosed with pancreatic cancer already have stage 4 or metastatic disease when they're first diagnosed.
Facing an uphill battle, Scott turned to his family for support.
Talked it over with my wife and talked it over with my boys and decided, we're gonna try to fight this.
Scott was treated by doctors who kind of specialized or had a focus on GI cancers. Having an oncologist who specializes in that sort of cancer can make a difference to a patient's care.
MU Healthcare supported Scott through 34 rounds of chemotherapy before switching him to a new class of drugs. The drug is an oral inhibitor to target cancer cells.
It's a pill that can be taken at home, far fewer side effects, and none of that nerve damage that we see with traditional chemotherapy. He was really the pioneer. That gave us confidence as doctors to try the drug with other patients who are now benefiting from the same drug. I think it has been a game changer. These tumor cells cannot repair themselves, and essentially they begin to die off.
About a year and a half later, Scott was ready to celebrate. With his cancer in remission, Scott is back to enjoying life.
My oldest son, Callan, he went straight to the doctors and said, I need you to help him be the 1% that survives. And they fulfilled that promise.